Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Amidst yet another momentous day for XRP. Think about institutions and all the value they add to the market, and you'll see a very bright future. In this video, we will examine the XRP market report for the third quarter and a number of significant deals that have occurred. I'm quite positive on it. Therefore, I am unsure of the reason for your delay. Make sure you're up to date on everything by hitting that like button and that subscribe button. As always, the Two-Way Crypto channel is your best bet for all things XRP related. It means the world to me that you tuned in. Here we go with the video. First things first, I'm not interested in simply hearing Brad Garlinghouse's take on things. After that, we'll get into the third quarter report, Grayscale, and, most importantly, those ETF announcements. The market is sending a clear signal, though, as Brad points out here. There has never been a more robust institutional interest in XRP products. This morning, Bitwise Canary Funds and 21 Shares submitted an S1 for an XRP ETF, and Grayscale formed an XRP trust and submitted paperwork to turn its micro-asset fund, which includes XRP, into an ETF. Battle after battle, the SEC has lost the crypto war, and if they don't respect the fraudsters' authority, they'll ruin their credibility and reputation even more. What occurs in the following 4 or 5 days might truly solidify what happens with the SEC, similar to what happened with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Brad is arguing that this product is in high demand. It remains to be seen if these will achieve the same level of success. Having said that, the forms are already at the SEC doorstep, and the conversations have already begun. Now, to be clear, none of this will happen without an XRP ETF, whether it's Fidelity or Grayscale. However, it's arguably closer than ever before, particularly when considering market sentiment and, more importantly, the XRP Q3 market report. In this world, it's a question of when, not if, and the SEC simply cannot afford to ignore these, in my opinion. Why? The reason being that they are essentially inviting another Bitcoin arms race, which they are clearly not prepared to win. I believe it to be of utmost importance. This Grayscale one will serve as an example for you. Plus, in just over 2 months, they made an announcement about an XRP trust, which is presently accepting applications from qualified accredited investors. Apologies, but $2.2 million has been raised for it, which gives you a good idea of their long-term goals. Among the first assets to be invested in and valued by the price of XRP alone, the Grayscale XRP Trust sidesteps the difficulties of purchasing, storing, and safeguarding XRP directly. The trust shares are structured to follow the XRP market price that the corporation stated on its website. Once again, this is what I call a Grayscale front-running market, when a product is released before most others. We anticipate that today's market sell-off will be accompanied by a decline in the share price, which has fallen in tandem with the price of XRP. Nothing out of the ordinary in this bull market, either. Next week, I think we're going to see a really major change. I've been predicting the sell-off for the past 3 or 4 days. Hold off till next week. On the other hand, XRP ETF talk is heating up in the crypto community. It usually falls in when there is demand, and demand is there. This morning, the basic XRP trust was registered with 21 shares. The unique thing is that it's just XRP. In my opinion, this is crucial. An XRP ETF might even arrive before then. It would be dishonest of me not to mention that this does, regrettably, bring some market centralization to Solana. That being said, it's not a terrible thing in the near run. I believe it's a good thing for now, but in the long run, the debate is open. There has been a lot of adaptation to XRP, native smart contract features, and the EVM side chain to deploy smart contracts. Additionally, using multiple chains to bring together on XRP will be necessary, and once institutions and Wall Street start to look at what XRP is for, the XRP ledger will become the absolute stable for moving money around the financial markets and everything else. Axilla, for example, will be able to bridge across 55 different blockchains. However, at this very moment, there is a desire for it, and this is crucial. Many individuals message me and say 2 bits when we discuss the significance of XRPL in relation to XRP and Ripple USD. By when will this take place? In all honesty, it will be happening very soon. Although there is no concrete information on the launch date, the time seems to be drawing nearer by the day. In fact, everything involving Tether likely positions itself as a crucial entry point into the market. Liquidity will be supported by renowned market makers like B2, C2, and Key Rock, as well as by independent reserves and CoinMina, which we know to be upheld bits, stamp bits, or Moon Pure. I am impressed. We know those relationships have been long-standing with XRP, and they are massive suppliers. If you examine the evolution of the chain, you'll see that these things are going to connect intrinsically and totally. Check out that XRP burned with a 100% increase in transactions quarter over quarter. While many would disagree, there has been a 21% spike in burned XRP, a 32% drop in transaction costs, and closing prices that are slightly higher than where we were in Q2 and Q3 relative to the value. Cost is 27% lower and volume is 33% lower. The Bitcoin market as a whole is smaller than that. BitBoyX shared my opinion earlier on. He thinks retail isn't going to happen very soon, much like mining. Look at that 11% growth in wallet counts, everything points to a very positive tale indeed. The issue is over whether retail are coming in the full run. After considering all of that, how does it appear from a price action perspective? Could you tell me how the market looks? Our warm-up is progressing at a modest pace. I anticipate a rather flat weekend leading into next week, when there will be some bullish momentum, especially on Monday and Tuesday. However, I'm still hanging on to the 51-cent level right now, which is 10%, well, 10% up just from today alone. As the election draws near, I hope XRP returns to its previous trend line. To put it simply, if you are overly leveraged or involved in high-margin players, you might want to shift it right now because markets are eliminating risk. The market could see a rise if Donald Trump announces some good news over the weekend. But if that doesn't happen, we'll see more. In light of Kamala Harris's good news, the market may remain flat or perhaps decline. That is the extent to which Bitcoin policy will influence this election. People also tell you that you're completely insane. To my mind, that is precisely our current situation. Seeing my video is an honor. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.